Guys, last na naman kami. Ito kami sa labas. Punta kami ng Chopsticks. Bago siyang restaurant siya. Owned by Chinese. So, malapit na siya sa workplace namin. So, kasama ko yung bestie ko. Pasok na kami doon. We'll see kung masarap yung pagkain nila. Yeah, Chopsticks. Let's find out. Looks good naman. Oh, pagkain oh. It looks good. Oh, may hiring pala sila, Grace. Oh, apleta. Hi. Oh, dagan sila pagkaon dali. Look at that. Boy, look at how expensive it is.
Fried rice ni.
Ha?
Kung two person man gani, so you order fried rice and mean
Itong place nila. Ha? Yeah. That's it. It's a nice one though. Look at that ambience. Oh. Ganda naman pala siya eh. For, unang bagong restaurant kasi ito eh. Exit dihaw, pas sila ng exit. Pwede na siya manggawas. Guys, wala tami strog. Kasama rin itong ngabong. Okay guys, ito na yung food na in-order. Ayan. That looks cute.
pwede kang sa sudan pero tanaw.
Yung kanin. Nakulangan mi guys sa kanin. Gidayat din.
Magkuan lagot.
Hindi na kuno kaya, di kaya. Dungagan na mong kanin.
We have alumin.
Yeah. Madami diet ron.
This is
So
like a
guys,
carbohydrates.
yeah, kain na daw kami. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day, everyone. Bye, y'all.